guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Today I'm going to teach you a quick one. I'm not going to waste your time, and I want to teach you how you can use water to attract anything you want. Yes, anything you want at all. Are you going for an interview? Are you going to ask somebody for help? Are you going to call someone on phone to do something for you? Now this is a simple prayer you can do with water. Just water. All you have to do is you wake up around 5 in the morning. Then you wake up around 5 in the morning. Then you get that water. Okay, when you get water, if you like, you can put salt on it, but if you like, you can use it like that. So just pour the water. Once you just wake up, you are not going to talk to anybody. Okay, you will not talk to anybody. Once you just wake up, then you take that water, then you pour it on the ground. Then you put your 2 feet on it. You pour it on the ground. Okay, then you put your 2 feet on it. Your feet. So you step on the water. Then you make your request, make your prayer. As I'm going to do this, as I'm going to meet James 3 days coming, I want whatever I want him to do for me, let him do it for me. Or you want to pray for yourself, just pray for yourself. I want progress. I want to be successful. I want to love. I want money. I want everything to work on my favor. I want this court case to work on my favor. I want everybody to love me. I want everything to work on my favor. I want to get a better job. So you just be praying any type of prayer you want, anything you know that is missing in your life. Okay, as your feet are on that water, you still be praying on it. Just like water is always available for everyone to use. Just as water is always available for everybody to use, that is how money will be available in my life. Just the way water is always available everywhere, that's why people will be available to help me. Just as water is available that is how work will be available for me. Just as the way water is always available, that is how people will be available to help me. So just be saying this. You'll be making that water is always available as point of contact. You always, that just as anybody that drinks water, that person will love me. So you keep saying all these words you said. You keep focusing on all you say. So once you are done, okay, if it is half 5, you are not going anywhere, you can go back to your bed and sleep again. And if you find this video helpful so far, please, I want you to subscribe. Subscription is free, and I want you to comment on the comment section that this must work for me. Okay, subscribe, and if you find it helpful, like the video. You can do this particular recipe. You can do it 2 times in a week. You can do it 3 times in a week, depends on your strength. You can do it every day if you like, so, but you can do it at least 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, depending on your strength.